d square. Otherwise, they are asking a problem like this only. D square y by dx square plus 5 into dy by dx plus 6 y is equals to 0. Now, if you observe, what is this? What is the order of the differential equation? What is the order of the differential equation? 2. So, is it a linear differential equation? Yes. But we are. Do we have any procedure for finding the solutions of second order linear differential equation in our unit number 1? No, we are not having it. Okay. So, because of that reason, I'm going to start with given dE is equation 1. This one is a second order linear dE with constant coefficients. Second order linear differential equation. Now, immediately, whenever they are giving more than one order 1, then immediately what we have to do is we have to convert it into differential operator form. Okay, differential operator form of equation 1. What is the differential operator form? Anybody can say? In place of dy by dx, we have to substitute capital dy. In place of d square y by dx square, what we have to substitute? Capital D square y. What is the first term is going to become as? Capital D square y plus 5 into dy by dx is nothing but capital D into y plus 6y equals to 0. But from this, what we have to write it? Taking y common as a post factor, d square plus 5d plus 6 of y is equals to 0. Be careful, students. Y should be right only as post factor. Post factor. That is very, very important. What is the general solution of this differential equation? How it looks like? That is, it is in the form of what? F of d of y equals to 0. F of d of y equals to 0 form. Now, we need to find the solution for this. For finding the solution, what is the general solution? Then, general solution will be taking as equation 2. General solution of equation 2 is, anybody can say? What is the general solution of equation number 2? Anybody? Equation 2 is actually it is a second order homogeneous linear dE. Is a homogeneous linear dE. Whenever it is a homogeneous linear dE, what is the general solution? Y equals to simply yc. Taking it as equation number 3. How to find yc? That we discussed procedure. So taking as a small side heading, finding yc. What we discussed the procedure? Consider auxiliary equation or assume auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? F of m equals to 0. What is f of m here? F of d only. In f of d, what is f of d here?
D square
d square plus 5d plus 6. So in that, substitute in place of d m. So we'll get m square plus 5m plus 6 equals to 0. Then can we find the roots for this? It's a quadratic equation.
Yes, sir, 2 and 3.
Yes. So 5m can be written as 5 is nothing but a product of, sum of 2 and 3. And their product is 6. So is there. So 2m plus 3m plus 6 equals to 0. Then now, taking m common from the first two terms, it can be converted as m into m plus 2, and taking 3 common from the last two terms, then we'll get m plus 2. Taking m plus 2 common, we'll get m plus 2 into m plus 3 equals to 0. So one of your friends said m equals to 2 and 3, but roots are not 2 and 3 here. Roots are, your friend mentioned as 5 can be written as 2 and 3. So m is equals to -2 and -3. So these are the roots. What we have to do when we got roots, we can find the complementary solution. Therefore, complementary solution YC is YC equals to, what are the roots here? 3 types we discussed. One is real, another one is complex, another one is surd. But here, what are the roots here? Real roots. In real roots, we discussed 2 cases. One is not repeated, another one is repeated. Whether here -2 and -3 are repeated or not repeated? Not repeated. So what are the roots? What is the solution? YC is C1 into e power m1x. What is m1? -2x. -2 plus C2 into e power m2x. What is m2 value? -3 into x. So this is the YC. This is only YC. What is the general solution? This one only. Okay. Hence, y equals to YC is equals to C1 into e power -2x plus C2 into e power -3x is general solution of given dA. That's enough. This is only homogeneous linear differential equation. But while we discuss non-homogeneous, there we'll discuss YP. Okay, this is the general solution of given differential equation. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Yes. Anybody can say one more problem. Problem number 2. Solve. Me istam వచ్చిndi vandi. You can speak. Okay. D square minus 5D plus 6 equals to 0 of y equals to 0. So previous question only I have taken, but in place of plus 5, what we have taken? -5. So can we find the factors for this? Yes or no? No, we cannot find. We cannot find. In that case, what we have to do? Solution is given DE is, what is the given DE? D square minus 5D plus 6 of y is equals to 0. Taking as equation number 1, what we have to do? It is in the form of f of d of y equals to 0. So f of d of y equals to 0 is nothing but, it is a homogeneous linear DA. Okay. So what is the general solution? Therefore,
y equal to YC.
Y equals to YC. General solution is y equals to YC, but we need to find that YC. So taking as a small side heading, what is that? Finding YC. For finding YC, what is the first one we need to consider? Consider auxiliary equation or assume. Anything you can use. Consider or assume auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? F of m equals to 0. What is f of m here? F of d. What is f of d here? D square minus 5d plus 6. In d, substitute m in place of d. M square minus 5m plus 6 equals to 0. Okay. Then do we have the roots for this? Do we have the perfect roots? No. We are unable to write it in the form of factors. So I am finding m is equals to, what is the ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0? Roots x equals to minus b. What is the b value? -5 plus 5. That is a minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 5 whole square minus 4ac. 4, a value is 1 into c value is 6 by 2a. 2 into a value is 1. So on simplification, what we'll get? Plus, okay, 5 plus or minus root of 25 minus 24 by, roots are existing, is 2. రూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, మనం ఎందుకు ఇచ్చేసాం? 6 1s తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా, కానీ అవ్వదు కదా. సరే, ఏమొస్తాయో చూద్దాం. 5 plus or minus 1 by 2. So what are the roots here? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Correct చేశాము. 2a. So one is 3 and another one is 2. రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి. -3 -2 గా రాయొచ్చు, మర్చిపోయాం అది. ఓకే, రైట్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. Anyhow, we finished it using this way. So finding yc. What is the yc? c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 3x. Sir, you have written 3, 2, but why you are writing 2 and 3? You can write in any order, no problem. ఏ విధంగాన రాయొచ్చు స్టూడెంట్స్, ఓకేనా? క్లియర్? సో y1 is equals to c1 e power 2x plus c3 e power 2x. Sorry, e power 3x. Therefore, hence, what is the general solution? Y equals to yc. That implies y equals to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 3x. So while you are going to attend the next class, listen carefully. Okay, learn already these formulas carefully and try to learn how to find the roots. I just discussed only for quadratic equation, but next class we are going to discuss of order 3, of order 4, 5, like that. Okay, is general solution of given d. అర్థమవుతుందా? General solution of given d. If we observe clearly, this is a given differential equation: d power minus 2d cube minus 3d square plus 4d plus 4 of y is equals to 0. And taking this as equation number 1 is a homogeneous linearity. Homogeneous linear differential equation. Whenever it is a homogeneous linear differential equation, what is the general form of what is the general solution? Then general solution is y equals to simply yc. Taking this as equation number 2, but I am taking here finding yc, but here only for this problem I am taking, and the previous problem also we have taken like this small side heading, finding yc. Why I am making you a practice like this is because of the reason in the future we are going to find yc and also yp. In that case, you should not get any typical cases what we are finding or not. Okay, so that I am taking a small heading as finding yc. For finding yc, what we have to consider? What we have to consider? Auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation. Okay, so what is that auxiliary equation? F of m equals to 0. But what is the equation number 1? We are denoting it is in the form of f of d of y is equals to 0 form. In that case, what is the f of d function here? What is f of d? D power 4 minus 2d cube minus 3d square plus 4d plus 4. In place of d, we have to substitute m. So what we are going to get? M power 4 minus 2m cube minus 3m square plus 4m plus 4 equals to 0. This is the equation. What is the order of the polynomial 4? So for finding the roots, of this equation, which process we have to use? General process we cannot use. So which process we have to use here? We have to use synthetic division. What are the coefficients of m power 4 is 1. m cube coefficient minus 2, m square coefficient minus 3, m coefficient is 4, and again constant term is 4. So for this we have to take the synthetic division. What is the general process of synthetic division? First value we have to take and start with first value we have to take 0 and start with 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 ones are 1, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 ones are minus 1, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, minus 4 ones are minus 4, plus 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 ones are 0, and it is 4. Now can we say 1 is a root? Yes or no? Can we say 1 is a root? No. Because why 1 is not a root? The last value should be, remainder should be 0. Here we got the remainder is 4. So because of that reason, we cannot take m equals to 1 is a root. So if m is not equals to 1 is not a root, then what we have to do? Take minus 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, minus 1 ones are minus 1, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3, 3 into minus, sorry, 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 minus 1s are 0, 4, 4 minus 1s are minus 4, then we are going to get 0. So we got the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, then what we can say? M equals to minus 1 is 0, but we have to write it is here, it is in the form of, okay, I will write directly. M is equals to minus 1, otherwise m minus of minus 1 is one factor. What is the remaining cubic polynomial expression? What is the cubic polynomial expression? M cube coefficient is 1, m square coefficient is minus 3, m coefficient is 0, and constant term is 4, like this. But here, even to find the cubic polynomial expression, roots also difficult. So for that also using the same synthetic division, starting with 0. Okay, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now what we have to start with? Again, we have to start with 1, or we have to go with the next value, or we have to start with again minus 1. Which one? We have to do. We have to start with minus 1. Because if we take 1 again, 1 will fail. Okay, so already we got minus 1. There may be a chance minus 1 repeats. Okay, so minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 into plus minus 1 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. And the remainder is 0. So what is another one? M minus of minus 1 is also one more factor. Is into, what is the second factor? What is the third factor? Already we are having 1 minus 4 plus 4. These are the coefficients of m square coefficient is 1 and m coefficient is minus 4 and the constant term is plus 4 is equals to 0. So this everything is rough work. Not rough work, it is fair only. Don't do this rough work in the last page of your answer booklet. Okay, you can do it here itself. But here, writing it is as m plus 1 into m plus 1. Can I write it as m plus 1 whole square? But what about this m square minus 4m plus 4? How we can write it? Yes, we can use calculator, but let me explain first with the general way, and then I'll explain with the calculator. Okay, so here m square minus 4m plus 4 can be written as m minus 2 whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So if you calculate it, you will get the third factor. Check it out. So now we are getting m is equals to minus 1. Don't stop with minus 1. Minus 1, how many number of times we got? 2 times. Comma, minus 2 also we got, sorry. Plus 2 we got 2 times. Plus 2 we got 2 times. 2 and 2. These are the things. These are the things to find our roots. Okay, but whenever we got the roots, what is the general solution? Y equals to yc. That implies, what is the yc? What is the general form of yc? C1 e power m1x plus C2 e power m2x plus C3 e power m3x plus C4 e power m4x. When we have to use this formula? Whenever all the 4 roots are real roots and all the 4 real roots are different roots. That is the case. But here, all the 4 roots are not different. 2 roots are same, and again 2 roots are same. So because of that reason, what we'll get generally, C1 plus C2 x into e power minus 1 into x. So I can write e power minus x plus, for 2 and 2 repeated, what will get it? C3 plus C4x into e power 2x. Okay, e power 2x. So this is yc, but already we mentioned y is equals to yc. That is the general solution of given differential equation. Given differential equation. And if you want to mention equation number 1, that's enough. So this is an actual procedure, but as one of your friend mentioned as, sir, we can find the roots using a calculator also. Yes, you can find the roots using calculator also. How to find the roots using calculator? But I'm not having the scientific calculator of Casio ClassWiz. In your calculators, you will get mode. If you press mode, then you'll get equation. If you go to the equation, then what are the options it is asking? Anybody can say?
Polynomial.
Polynomial or? Okay.
Primal equation.
What is another option? Okay, you please click on polynomial. After clicking on polynomial, what is it is asking? It will ask degree. When it asks degree, what is the degree of this polynomial equation here? M power 4 minus 2m cube minus 3m square plus 4m plus 4 is equals to 0. So here it is, 4 is a degree. 4 is the degree. So choose 4. Then how it is showing in your calculator? The equation, ax power 4 plus bx power 3 plus cx square plus dx plus e equals to 0 or is equals to e. It is showing. How it is showing?
E is equals to 0.
Plus e equals to 0. Plus e equals to 0. That means everything you have to bring to left hand side only. What is a value here? 1. What is the b value? Minus 2. What is the c value? Minus 3. D value 4. E value is 4. Enter one after the other. How to enter one after the other? You press 1 and press equal sign. Equal sign is the enter option in your calculators. And then minus 2, enter. Otherwise, if you are getting the spaces, 1, use the joystick, right arrow, and minus 2, minus 3, plus 4, and 4. And then tell me what are the roots you are getting here. Getting the same roots or not?
4 minus 1, sir.
So you will get same roots, but this is the advanced calculator which you are using ClassWiz, Casio FX991ES ClassWiz. But any of you are using old calculator, that means class FX991EX plus, then there you can find up to cubic polynomial roots of a cubic polynomial only. But here the given equation is of order 4. So in that case, what you have to do is you must find one root using synthetic division. So after finding the root using the synthetic division like minus 1, then you can feed these coefficients in the calculator. Which one? Which calculator? That is a old version. Okay, so like that you can use calculator and you can find the roots. No doubt at all, you will get marks. You will not lose any marks. Okay, they will give marks. Now going to take problem number 2. Okay, 3 and Chanekra. Sorry, problem number 4. Problem number 4. Now the problem number 4 is solve. Anybody can say any values? Any values? any three different values. Any three different values. In this, so many number of students are there.
2 minus 3 and 1.
Posted in the
Minus-
chat. Wait. Somebody posted in the chat. I'll take okay. 4 and 7. Minus 4 plus 7. Yes, some student mentioned in the by unmute 2 minus 1 and plus 4, something like that. But few students are giving in the chat box like different values. But from all the three members, I chosen three different values. So all these values are chosen from three different persons. Now let me check whether we get a solution or not. This is a given differential equation. Okay, taking it as equation number 1. What is the general form of this differential equation? F of d of y is equals to 0. So whether it is in f of d of y equals to 0, then it is called as, it is a homogeneous linear differential equation. Then what is the general solution? Then general solution is y equals to simply yc. Taking it as equation number 2. Why I'm taking equation number 2 is, but I'm not using equation number 2 anywhere. I'm not writing even substituting y value in equation number, okay, yc value in equation number 2. Otherwise, you use in our calculator, in the previous problem, equation 2 becomes, equation 2 implies. You can write like this. Okay, so now y equals to yc. Then general solution will be y equals to yc, finding yc. But I am not writing that finding yc because of we are finding only yc in this problem. Okay, so just for the understanding purpose, I explained in the previous problems. So for finding yc, what we need to assume or consider? Auxiliary equation. Assume or consider auxiliary equation. F of m equals to 0. What is f of m value? In f of d function, substitute in place of dm, we'll get 2m square, 2 into m square minus 4m plus 7 equals to 0. Now, it is a quadratic expression. How to find the roots of a quadratic expression? What is the general form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0? X equals to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now, here a is how much? What is the value of a? 2. What is the value of b? Minus 4. What is the value of c? Plus 7. So using that other things here, by using these other things, how we can get our root? M is equals to, that implies m equals to, in place of x we are having m here, so m is equals to, what we'll get? Minus b. What is the b value? Minus 4. Minus of minus 4 is plus 4. Plus r minus root of b square minus 4 whole square minus 4ac. A value is 2, c value is 7 whole by 2a. 2 into a value is 2. So now 4 plus r minus root of 16 minus, how much we'll get? 7 8s are how much? 56 by 4. So if we do simplification, what we'll get? 4 plus or minus root of minus 40. How we can write minus 40 as? We can write minus 40 as, I can, okay, I minus 1 can be written as I square and 40 can be written as 4 into 10 under the square root by 4. Okay, then 4 plus or minus I square bringing outside, it will become I. And then root 4 into root 10. How we can get? Root 4 is 2 root 10 by how much? 4. Now, if we do simplification, what we are going to get? 1 plus or minus I into root 10 by 2. Root 10 by 2. If you want, you can write like this also. 1 plus or minus I into root 10 can be written as 5 into 2 by then on simplification, what we'll get, m is equals to 1 plus or minus I into root 5 by 2 square root, applicable for denominator also. Am I correct? Yes or no? So this is a special case. Why special case? The problem is created by 3 different students. Okay, so because of that reason we are getting the roots like this. Now tell me, what are the roots? Roots are complex roots or surds? Complex roots are surds. Surds are complex roots. What is the general form of surd? A plus or minus root b. Or conjugate surd also is available.
Conjugate.
What is the general form of complex number? A plus or minus ib. Now tell me here, otherwise I will give complex roots like this, x plus or minus iy. Now tell me, when we can say x plus iy is a complex number, what about x and y values? X and y values are any real number. What is the real number includes? Real number includes root of 5 by 2 is also a real number. Yes or no? Square root of 5 by 2 is also a real number. So here, forget about a special case you got here. We cannot find the root of 5 by 2. But in that case, you are not supposed to consider it as a surd, because already you are having I. If you have I, you must consider it is as a complex number only. Yes or no? So roots are complex roots. Therefore, I am writing just for understanding purpose. Roots are complex roots because we have I. Forget about root 5 by 2 value exist or not. I is available in that number, then it is a complex number. Okay, roots are complex numbers. Then what is YC? Therefore, complementary solution is y equal, okay, simply YC is equals to, what is the general solution of YC? Complementary solution, e power a. What is the value of a? That is a real part, simply 1. So e power x into C1 cos h of b. What is the value of b? Root 5 by 2. Square root of 5 by 2 into x plus C2 sin h of, okay, better I'll remove this part here. I'm erasing this because of rough work. C2 sin h of, complex roots we mentioned. So why I am writing a hyperbolic? Yes or no? Hyperbolic should not exist. Only complex roots will exist. Trigonometric things will exist. So we'll get sine of root 5 by 2 into x. Root is exist for denominator 2 also. This is just YC. Next, what is the general solution? Hence, y equals to YC. That implies y equals to e power x into C1 cos of root 5 by 2 into x plus C2 sin of root 5 by 2 of x. This is the thing. Okay, so this is the general solution of given differential equation. Is general solution of given differential equation. Differential equations. So we have seen whenever real roots are repeated, we have seen, and It looks like surd, but not surd. These are the complex roots. So we have seen complex roots. We have to see a surd. Okay, at least one surd. Let me check. Solve. This is just finding YC. Not that the case. Okay, I'm taking d square plus 4 of y equals to 0. I'm taking simple one just for making our problem simple to finish it in next 3 or 4 minutes. So now tell me, what is the given differential equation? D square plus 4 of y is equals to 0. Taking that. Okay, this is the differential equation. Now solution is given d is taking it as equation number 1 is a homogeneous linear DA. Homogeneous linear differential equation. Now that is f of d of y is equals to 0 form. Now what is the general solution is there? Then y equals to yc is taking as equation number 1 is general solution of given d, general solution. But here what we need to find yc. For finding yc, assume auxiliary equation or consider auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? F of m equals to 0. What is f of d? D square plus 4. Then what is f of m? M square plus 4 equals to 0. Then what is m square value? M square equals to minus 4. Be careful, students. Then how we can write minus 4 as I square and 2 square form? So what is m value? M square is equals to 2i whole square. Then m is equals to what we can take? Either it may be plus 2i or minus 2i. So don't assume that square square gets cancelled, sir. So m is equals to 2i only. So I can mention here plus or minus. So inside the brackets, I'm going to mention here plus or minus. This is the thing. So here, what about the roots we got? 2 roots we got, but the 2 roots are complex roots. Then, therefore, complementary solution of what is the complementary solution? Yc equals to e power. What we have? What is the general form of this? 0 plus or minus 2i. So how we have to write this one? E power 0x into c1 cos bx. What is the b value? 2 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Then answer, therefore y equals to, okay, we have to say that substitute in equation 2. That is a general wording we need to write. That implies y equals to yc implies y equals to e power 0x is 1. So I am writing directly y is equals to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. This is the general solution of given differential equation. Is general solution of given differential equation. This is the procedure. So we check, we did 2 problems with complex roots, and 2 problems with non-repeated real roots, and 1 problem with repeated real roots. So same manner, yes, any of you are having any doubts, then you can ask. So taking it as a given differential equation, taking it as equation number 1. What is this differential equation number 1? It is in the form of f of d of y equals to 0. F of d of y equals to 0 is nothing but it is a homogeneous linear deal. And especially all these differential equations, what are the coefficients of differential term? Are constants. So all these differential equations are called as homogeneous linear DE with the constant coefficients. I'm just mentioning in the first, from the first problem onwards, is a homogeneous linear differential equation. That is f of d is equals to, sorry, f of d of y equals to 0. How I am reading it, f of d of y is equals to 0 form. Okay, now we need to find the general solution. Then general solution is y equals to simply yc. I think is question number 2. Now consider auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? F of m equals to 0. What is f of m value we'll get here? M square minus 6m plus 4 equals to 0. That implies, what is the value of m? We'll get it minus b. What is the value of b here? Minus 6. So it will become minus of minus b is a plus 6 plus or minus root of b square. B square is nothing but how much? B square value will get minus 6 whole square minus 4ac. A value is 1, c value is 4 whole by 2 into a value is 1. So we'll get here 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 16 by 2. So how we will get 6 plus or minus root 20 by 2? How we can write root 20 as? How we can write root 20 as? 4 5s, 4 into 5 by 2. So root 4 bringing outside of the root, then it will become 2 root 5. 2 root 5 whole by 2. So doing simplification, what we are going to get? M is equals to 3 plus or minus root 5. Now tell me, what are the roots? Roots are surds. Surds. Yes or no? Surds. Therefore, complementary solution is yc is equals to, what is the complementary solution? E power 3x into c1 cos h of root 5x plus c2 sin h of root 5x. Root sin h of root 5x. This is a yc. But here, what is the general solution? Y equals to yc is the general solution. Where we have to substitute this equation number? Okay, yc value, we have to substitute yc in equation number. We have to substitute yc is in equation number 2. So it is plus or minus. Therefore, equation 2 becomes y equals to yc implies y equals to this, everything I am taking here. So e power 3x into c1 cos h root 5x plus c2 sin h root 5x is the solution of is the general solution of our differential equation. Better I am taking here C2. like this. Okay, so this is our general solution of the given differential equation. Is general solution of given D. Our next question is, they're asking us to find d cube plus 1 of y is equals to 0. Find the solution of this differential equation. But here, while we are taking the same differential equation, how many roots we can say it will exist? 3 roots, because of third order differential equation is there. Okay, so, but what is the general solution? Y equals to simply by C. Taking as equation number 2. Now we need to consider auxiliary equation. Why we have to consider auxiliary equation for finding complementary solution? Consider auxiliary equation f of m equals to 0. That implies m cube plus 1 is equals to 0. But how to find the roots for this? If you use your calculator, and check it out, what you are going to get? What you are going to get? How much? M is equals to, unable to, some noise, that means
1 plus root 3 I by 2, sir.
1 plus root 3 I by 2. That is 1. Another one is minus 1.
Sir, 1 minus. Yes, sir,
Minus 1 and
1 plus
1
or minus.
plus or minus I root 3 by 2. So total, how many roots we got? 3 roots. One is, okay, I am writing like this, m is equals to minus 1 and 1 by 2 plus or minus I into root 3 by 2. Now tell me, one root is real root and another 2 roots are complex roots. There may be a chance mixing of real and complex roots or real answers can exist. Then what is a complementary solution? Therefore, complementary solution is yc is equals to c1 e power, always whenever mixing roots are there, real roots and complex roots, surds, anything are there, first always try to write real roots solution. That is a c1 e power minus x plus, for this minus 1, okay, 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. How we are going to take? For real part, what is the real part in this complex number system? 1 by 2. So e power, it is like ax. What is a value? 1 by 2x into, actually c1 we have to take according to the formulas, but here what we have to take, already we have taken c1. So what we have to use? c2 into cos, h we have to take, or cos only? Any idea? We have to take cos or cos h? We have to take only cos function. Cos function. We have to take only cos function. If we take only cos function, what is going to become? Because why should we have to take only cos function? Because complex will get only trigonometric. Cos of root 3 by 2 into x. Root is only for 3, but not for denominator 2 and also not for x. Plus c3 into, don't use c2, sine of root 3 by 2 into x, 2x. This is the yc. Hence, Hence, y equals to yc is the general solution. That implies y equals to this. Everything is our general solution of the given differential equation. C1 e power minus x plus e power x by 2 into C1 cos of root 3 by 2x plus C3 sine of root 3 by 2x is general solution of given dv. Okay. So any of you are having any doubts? You can ask. So here, particular solution or particular integration concept name. I'll just give you the introduction of it. When, okay, this will be denoted with which variable? Yp. Okay, I'll tell you one more notation also. There may be a chance of pi also, particular integration. And for yc, they will call as ci also. Some textbooks, they may refer with the ci or and pi here. But here we are mentioning as yc and yp, just for understanding purpose. Yc is nothing but complementary solution or complementary integration. Okay, yp is nothing but particular solution or particular integration. So the procedure is here. Let f of d of y is equals to q of x. What is the q of x? Must be equals to 0 or not equals to 0? Not equals to 0. Be a non-homogeneous linear differential equation with the constant coefficients. With constant coefficients. Okay, you know how to find yc, but what is the general solution for this? Then general solution is y equals to yc plus yp. Okay, but finding all yc using previous procedure. I'm just mentioning. Next, what is the second one? Yp. Finding yp is the side heading. While finding yp, we have to consider yp is equals to, okay, I'll give you a shortcut here. Just think about how to write this. Now, if you use this as an equation, or some variables are there. So how we can write this one as y is equals to 1 by f of d of q of x, yes or no? Using cross product process and all, we can write like that. But same manner, I'm going to write here also 1 by f of d of q of x. You mention, you should not write q of x in the numerator, or you should not write q of x in the prefactor. You must write q of x only as post factor. Why? The reason is there. This is the formula of yp. Okay, there are some procedures. Understood how to remember this formula? Simply f of d of y equals to q of x. From that, I am getting yp is equals to 1 by f of d of q of x. That's the thing. Now here, q of x or different types will be there, where q of x equals to, there may be a chances, it may be exponential of ax, or it may be sine ax or cos ax. Anything can happen. Okay, or it may be a x power m, or a polynomial in functions of x variable. Which one? Only q of x. Or it may be x e power ax into v of x, where v of x is again different, where v of x equals to sine ax or same cos ax or x power m or a polynomial in functions of x. That we'll see it later. Okay, these are the things. But the next case is x power 1 into v of x. In this case, again, v of x will be different, where v of x equals to, there are three cases, e power ax or sine ax, sine ax, I can write, sine ax or cos bx, cos ax, anything can happen. I made a small mistake here. In the previous one, this is not a, this is not a, these are b, I can take. Why? If I am explaining with b, here you are having a already. Here a may not be same with b. If I am mentioning with a and a, both should be same. That are the things. So that I'm not mentioning like this. So now, if you observe, these are the cases are going to get in our q of x. In the next classes, we are going to discuss if q of x equals to e power x, what is going to happen? If q of x equals to sine ax or cos x, what is going to happen? If q of x equals to x power m, what is going to happen? These are the cases. These are type 1 and this is type 2 and this is type 3 and this is type 4 and this is type 5. And there is one more case, type 6 also, I'll tell you later. Okay, so 5 different types. All these 5 different types, on each and every type, you will get different type of model problems. And okay, I am giving the last one, 6th one is x power m into v of x. Here also v of x may be same, where v of x equals to, here v of x must be sine ax or cos ax, only any one of these two. Then only our 6th type. So what are the types? Type, okay, I am writing with red color. This is the type 1. Tomorrow onwards we'll discuss type 2, type 3, type 4 and type 5. If these are the things, how to find the solution, that are the things we are going to learn in the next class. Next class is nothing but continuation classes. Okay, so with this I'm stopping.